by the Croatian defense, and Jude Bellingham running in from a tight angle and dead off the post! From one end of the field to the other! Jude Bellingham puts England back in front. It picks it up, England up the numbers. It's Marcus Rashford! As it finishes here in Dallas, England 4, Croatia 2.